What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to get the smiley mask and the smiley shirt, and we're here with Red Sand Pumpkin. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is get a bag with 4 at least, but 6, I'm using 6 beans, and then you're going to want to come over.
Hey, buddy.
Eat one, and then go up, stay up, get real high up. Then you go over to those like dots over there, and once you're over there, I'll show you what to do next. And then it's a bunch of smiley faces. Now you're here. I already got the accessories, so it won't really show for me, but yeah, right here. There should be like a mask here. The next reward. And your second reward is down here. Right here. But for me, it's not there. And then you can jump in here. Alright, that will be it for today's video, guys. Next time I might show you guys some other cool things in the game, and like for new updates and stuff. And peace out, guys.